Alright guys, today we got the Sevr Broadheads finally arrived. Just pulled out of the mailbox. I've already pre-opened it, but let's check it out. This is how your package will show up when it gets to your house. A whole bunch of stickers. Great little mini owner's manual. Very detailed instructions how to replace your blades, go to practice mode, back into hunt mode. Really calls out all the parts really nice. And this is the really cool part. Tool came free with the order included. These things are packaged just so nicely. The brand new 2.0s. Probably could have got 6 more, and this would have been a perfect storage box for off-season. Awesome. Hope that helps.